Today we're gonna make frozen banana bites. But before we make frozen banana bites, make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any video. So let's get started. So my mom already washed the bananas. So first step, you peel it, the banana. Don't leave the peels on the banana because it's not gonna be good. And then next up, you cut the banana. If your little kids just like my age, make sure you use a plastic knife, because it's really dangerous using the knife that your mom uses. Guys, you better hurry cutting the banana because the banana will get brown. And this is really easy. Kids can do it. Guys, don't forget, when you get every peel off the banana, make sure you get the banana peel and throw it in the sink. This is an easy dessert, guys. Anybody could do it. It's really easy. So hurry up cutting so the banana doesn't get too brown. If the banana's already brown, then do not use it. But when the skin is a little brown, that's okay, you can use it. Okay, I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna put some Nutella in the middle. Guys, this is gonna be delicious. And after I'm done putting the Nutella, I put the top right there. Then I put a little bit of toppings. Hey, and before you do the toppings, make sure you mix it up a little bit. Make sure you do this. Guys, I decided on this one I'm gonna put a chocolate topping. And guys, when you do this, make sure you put it on the pan and put a paper on it so it doesn't stick to the pan that much. This might be a little messy, but it's okay. Let me grab a paper real quick. I'm back, you guys. So now we are going to keep on going. The next one, I think I'm gonna put caramel. Oh, if the banana's too big like this, make sure you cut it a little bit more. And the brown piece on the banana, make sure you throw it in the garbage. You don't need that. Now, I'll put the Nutella in the middle of the banana again. Spread it out a little bit. Spread it out to give it more texture, to give it more taste, you know? And now we're gonna put the top on. Instead of chocolate, I'm doing caramel. Now let's keep on going. So guys, it's ready. Now we have to put it in the freezer for 2 hours. So see you in 2 hours. Hey guys, I'm back. It has been past 2 hours and now we're gonna take a taste test. So let's try this one. This one looks like it won't bother me. It tastes like ice cream. Oh my god. So guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any video. Love you guys. Oh, and make sure you be nice, love God, and be beautiful. Bye-bye.